Hi everyone, my name is Sowjanya. Today in this video we are going to see about night lamp, which is so beautiful, and I saw this lamp in Amazon which cost nearly 1000, which means a lot for the lamp. So let's make it. Firstly, I took newspapers to cover the floor so that floor doesn't have any scratches or any marks on it. So nextly, I take the tissue paper which makes a layer for our lamp. I make this tissue paper into small individual pieces so that it would be easy, or you can attach as usual the paper to form a texture of the lamp. To make all the pieces together, I took a cup of glue and mixed with water. The consistency of the glue is shown on the screen. To make the shape of the moon, I took a balloon.
A few moments later.
For the stability, I attached balloon and empty bottle filled with water with tape. You can see the process of making the texture of the moon on the screen.
A few inches later.
Let it dry for few hours.
One eternity later.
After drying, you see the shape of the moon. The shape which I was showing you was the first attempt. I didn't get the correct shape. I don't know why. The reason is also. Once after finding the reason, I'll let you know. I should actually use a bulb and set it in the circle, but at the time of shooting, I didn't find any bulb. I took these LED lights, which is pretty good. I fitted these LED lights into the moon shaped ball and plug it. And the result was amazing. I just fell love in it, and I was just obsessed with this light.